Got a 2010 Town and Country. Had a small radiator fluid leak last night, and I couldn't figure out where it was coming from. But the radiator fluid had blew up all over the engine. But upon inspection of the radiator and the hoses, I couldn't find anything. I thought the overflow tank had overflowed, but that wasn't the issue. So I went down and started with the radiator cap, bought me a new radiator cap, put that on, refilled it with fluid, let the car run for about a half an hour, and before it started, steam started coming out from under the hood, and I couldn't figure out what was going on. I popped open the hood, and here this plastic Y piece was leaking right there. I don't know if you can see that, but oh no, I'm wrong side. Right there in the center, you can't see the hole, but it was spitting out all over the engine right there. It was just peeing all over the place, especially when it got real hot. It was just, so instead of going to the Dodge dealership and buying the part that they wanted $100 for, I went over to an AutoZone and bought a T-connector. I got this T-connector. So this is the top radiator hose here. The top radiator hose goes down to the thermostat, and then out the thermostat to this T-connector here. Ow, a little hot. But this T-connector, it comes out here, and then it Y's off here, and this goes to a metal tube there, and then this one here goes back to the firewall. So just to let you know, for all you people out there looking for a solution, you don't feel like paying $100 for this plastic, overly priced, highly marked up plastic, you can go down and buy a T connector, or you can even go to Lowe's, and they sell plastic and metal Y connectors. But I just chose to go to this closest place, you know, buy 3 foot of hose. I mean, if you're smart, you'll reuse the hose if you can. Just cut off the hose right there at the Y connector. Cut off these hoses right here at the Y connector. See, I didn't do that. I did it with one. I reused one hose. I reused the one hose going to the firewall. So, like I said, just go down and get a T connector, 3 foot of hose, and some hose clamps. And make sure that you reuse these hose clamps here at the ends of the pipes. Reuse them hose clamps, and then just buy 3 of these hose clamps for your T connector, and then you're in like Flynn. Have a good day.